Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Funngro and completing verification. This gets your account monetized quickly. Once done, add a payout method and confirm bank or wallet details so earnings flow without delays. Make sure to enable notifications and location permissions because offers and tasks appear based on position and timing. Then open the onboarding tasks immediately and claim any welcome bonuses. Those first small earnings unlock higher-paying tasks. This startup phase is about access, trust, and positioning you to earn right away. Now focus on efficient task selection. Sort by payout and proximity so you maximize hourly returns. Once you see high-value tasks, read instructions fully and gather any required photos or screenshots before starting to avoid retries. Use batch processing, complete several nearby tasks in one trip, and submit clean, well-lit evidence to reduce rejections and speed payments. Also track progress toward a daily dollar target so you stay motivated and can adjust strategy. This routine turns sporadic tasks into steady income. To finish, request a payout once you hit the app's minimum threshold and confirm the transaction in your linked bank or wallet. Processing time varies, so plan ahead. If any submissions are rejected, gather the original photos, timestamps, and location data and file an appeal through the in-app support promptly. This preserves your credibility and recovers pay. One key troubleshooting tip: when offers fail to appear, toggle location, clear cache, and relaunch the app. If problems persist, contact support with logs and a concise summary for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.